Hello everyone, so good morning and welcome to my channel and myself Naveen, and I hope everyone is doing very well. So today I came to visit the Perarignar Anna and Kalayangar Karunanidhi Memorial, which is located in Tamil Nadu state in Chennai. So even Anna Memorial and Museum, which is dedicated to the first Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, CN Annadurai, properly known as the Anna, where a black marble platform was raised on the spot of Anna cremations in February 1969, and the crematory consists of an eternal flame of the one end with the sword pillar on the northern end of the Marina Beach in Chennai. So let's see, I am going to explore all over the museum and crematory place of the CN Annadurai, resting place of Annadurai and Karunanidhi. So this is the statue of CN Annadurai. We can see how it is the statue. This is looking very good statue here, and many more visitors are always coming to visit these places. Even these places is located nearby Marina Beach only, and also nearby there is a University of Madras. There is also M. Chittamram Stadium, Amma Museum and Memorial. So these are all places so close from here, and only 15 minutes there is also a ST Fort, George ST Fort Museum, which is also so close from here, which was built by Britishers. So I am going to explore these places. So let's explore together with me. So this is the resting place of the CN Annadurai. So it is also very new, and it is built by the black marble. So this is the museum of CN Anna, and we can see this is the tomb, resting place of the Anna, that is made by the black marble, who died in 1969. So later in August 2018, the Anna Memorial Complex was expanded to include a memorial for another former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu State, who was also a very great Chief Minister, Karunanidhi. So, and this is also the statue of the Annadurai, CM Annadurai. So through Annadurai was an atheist in his personal life, as took oath as the chief minister of the state in the name of cuisines rather than the name of God. He proclaimed only one race and only one God. That was thought of CN Annadurai, but he was a lover of every religions. So next one is the Karunanidhi, M. Karunanidhi. So M. Karunanidhi was Indian writer and politician, and this is the mausoleum of the M. Karunanidhi. So M. Karunanidhi was a writer and politician who served as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for almost 2 decades, over 5 terms between 1969 and 2011, and he is properly known as the Kalayangar, means artist, and Muthumiz Ariyangar, means Tamil scholar, for his contributions to Tamil Nadu literature, and he has the longest intermittent tenure as a Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu state, and he was a longest standing leader of Dravidian movement and 10 times president of the DMK party, that is so popular party of Tamil Nadu state. So even also M. Karunanidhi has the recorded of never losing any elections to the Tamil Nadu Assembly on 13 times continuously in the state legislative election. So right now I just came to visit the Anna Memorial. So this is the photography and everything observed here and restored of the thing that is used by the Annadurai, such as these all are the photography along with the prize, awards, books which is written by him, some prize, dress code of CN Annadurai. We can see these are the dress code of CN Annadurai, which is also stored here. and always many more visitors are coming to visit the places. This is the in Annadurai where he visit at the Taj Mahal and some historical place also. How many legendary person meet with the Annadurai, everything is put on the wall. So even also Annadurai photograph also is with Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, and Dr. Rabindranath Thakur, and many more legendary person met with the CN Annadurai. So these are the also old books and papers which is written by him. I think this is such kind of letters, and these all are the photography of CN Annadurai. And this is the statue of CN Annadurai in this museum also, along with the books. In below, books are also observed here, which is written by him, I think. So today I am also feeling very well here, because I can't express my feeling how I am feeling here. And so let's see, and many more visitors are always coming. You can see how many visitors are always coming to visit this place. Many more right now also visitors are, and this is the some things which is also observed here. We can see some idols, some books, and every visitors and travelers are visiting very well and exploring and gaining the knowledge of CN Annadurai. So even I also learned so many things here about the CN Annadurai, Karunanidhi Chief Minister, and many more things about the Chennai and Marina Beach. And this is the cremation photograph of CN Annadurai, I think, and Jawaharlal Nehru also giving respect to him. So these all are the memory of CN Annadurai. So thanks, and once again thank you so much.